Welcome dear students. Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to learn about the algebraic identities. You already studied about algebraic identities in your previous classes. Here we have to expand some other formulas. These formulas only we are going to use the upcoming exercise. Algebraic identities. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. X plus a plus into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These four formulas you already studied in your previous classes. Then upcoming formulas are also very important to solve upcoming problems. Fifth one is a square plus 1 by a square, which is equal to a plus 1 by a the whole square minus 2. And the next one is a square plus 1 by a square. This is also same, but small change is there. A minus 1 by a the whole square plus 2. And then seventh one is a plus b plus c the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And then eighth one is x plus a plus x plus b plus x plus c. Here a, b, c only the values are changing. X is a constant term, which is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c x square plus ap plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. And the ninth one is x plus y the whole cube, which is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. X minus y the whole cube, which is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Both formulas are, we can write x cube plus y cube, which is equal to x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y also. And the 10th formula also we can write as x cube minus y cube, which is equal to x minus y the whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. You can see your book notes, some notes are there, you can follow that. Okay. And then 11th one is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. In this formula, in this case, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0 means, then the formula we can write as x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. And then 12th one, x cube plus y cube, same. I told you already in 9th and 10th formula we can write like 12 and 13. X plus y the whole cube, which is equal to x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Same formula, 10th formula we can write as x cube minus y cube, which is equal to x minus y the whole cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Clear? So these formulas are we are going to use upcoming exercise 3.4. So study these formulas. It's very important. Without these formulas we cannot solve any question. Understood? Now we move on to exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Expand x plus 2y plus 3z the whole square. So we have to expand x plus 2y plus 3z the whole square. Solution. So we have to use the algebraic identities, which is how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So we have to using the identities. So which formula we are going to use? A plus b plus c the whole square. So we have to use the formula a plus b plus c the whole square. So what is the formula for a plus b plus c the whole square? Which is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is the formula we are going to use. So instead of a, here a is equal to x, b is equal to 2y, and c is equal to 3z. So instead of A, B, C, we have to substitute the values, which is x plus 2y plus 3z is the whole square, which is equal to, instead of A, we have to substitute x. So x square plus, instead of B, we have to substitute 2y. So 2y the whole square plus c square, which means we have to substitute the value 3z the whole square, plus 2 into A value is x, B value is 2y, plus 2 BC, B value is 2y, 3 value is 3z, plus 2 into C value is 3z and A value is x. So now x square, so 2y square, we have to take square 2 and y also. So 2 square is 4, y square is y square, plus 3 square is 9, plus z square is z square, plus 2 into 2, 4, x into y, 4xy, plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, y into z, yz, plus 2 into 3, 6, x into z, xz. So this is what the value of expansion value of x plus 2y plus 3z the whole square value, which is equal to x square plus 4y square plus 9z square plus 4xy plus 12yz plus 6xz. Understood? And then second question, using the identity, find the coefficient of x square, x and constant term without actual expansion. So actual expansion means we have to multiply, then only we have to find the answer, then you have to, then we can find out the answer coefficient values for x square, x constant. So instead of actual expansion, we have to use the formula, identity formula. We have to find out the coefficient values of x square, x and as well as the constant term. Here the question is x plus 5, x plus 6, x plus 7. So here x is same. Next numbers are, constant numbers are different. So using the identity x plus a, x plus b, x plus c, we have to use this formula, x plus a plus x plus b plus x plus c, x cube plus a plus b plus c, x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So this is what the formula we have to use. X plus a, x plus b, x plus c value is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So instead of a, here 5 is there, instead of b 6 is there, instead of c 7 is there. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 7. So these are the values. Now substitute the values in given formula, x cube. So here we have to find out the coefficient of values only. So directly we can write as coefficients of x square is, x square coefficient is, what is that? X square coefficient is a plus b plus c, which means the values we have to add 5 plus 6 plus 7. So which is equal to 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 7 18. So x square coefficient is 18. And then x coefficient, we have to find out the x coefficient. X coefficient value is ab plus bc plus ca. So x coefficient, which is equal to ab plus bc plus ca, which is equal to, what is the values of ab? 5 into 6. 5 into 6 plus 6 into 7 plus 7 into 5. So 5 6 are 30 plus 6 7s are 42 plus 7 5s are 35. So now the values are 32 plus 0 2, 7, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10. So 107. So x coefficient is 107. And then we have to find out the constant term. So constant, which is equal to, what is the value of constant is ABC, which is equal to 5 into 6 into 7, which is equal to 5 6 are 30. So 7 3s are 21, 210. So 30 into 7, which is equal to 210. Understood? So question number 3. This is important 5-mark question. If x plus a, x plus b, x plus c is equal to x cube plus 14x square plus 59x plus 70. Then we have to find out the value. First one is a plus b plus c. Second one is 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. Third one is a square plus b square plus c square. Fourth one is a by bc plus b by ac plus c by ab. So solution. So what is that given? First of all, the given values is x plus a, x plus b, x plus c, which is equal to x cube plus 14x square plus 59x plus 70. So this is taken as equation 1. And then we know that the formula x plus a plus, into x plus b into x plus c, which is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So this is taken as equation 2. We know that the formula x plus a plus x plus b plus x plus c, which is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So comparing 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, x cube is cancelled, same, and then x square coefficient, instead of a plus b plus c, here 14 is there. So we can find out the value a plus b plus c value is equal to 14, and then ab plus bc plus ca, which is equal to 59, and then ABC value is equal to 7. ABC value is equal to 70. Okay, so now we have to find out the first one. So which is already given as a plus b plus c value is equal to 14. So from this we can write directly a plus b plus c value is equal to 14. And then second one is 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. We have to find out this value. So here all the values are fractions. So we have to take LCM. So common denominator is a, b, c. So here a is there. So we have to multiply c, b, plus here b is there. So we have to multiply ac, plus here c is there. We have to multiply ab. So now substitute the values. AB plus BC plus CA value is equal to 59, So 59 divided by ABC value is given as 70. So 59 divided by 70. Now third one is a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square. We have to find out this value. So we know the formula a plus b plus c the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this formula we know that. So we have to find out a square plus b square plus c square value only. So 2ab, 2bc, 2ca will shift it over here. So a square plus b square plus c square value is already here. So here already is a plus b plus c value is there, minus here all the values. 2 is a common number, so we can take 2 as common, minus ab plus bc plus ca. Clear? Now substitute the value. Instead of a plus b plus c, we can find out the value 14. ab plus bc plus ca value is already given in 59. So substitute the values. So here 14. So 14 square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca value is 59, which is equal to, so 14 square minus 2 into 59. So 14 square is 196 minus 2 into 59 is 2 nines are 18, remaining 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 118. Now 196 minus 118. So 6 minus 8 is not possible. So 16 minus 8 is 8. So 9 here 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So a square plus b square plus c square value is equal to 78. Now we have to find out the fourth one, that is a divided by bc plus b divided by ac plus c divided by ab. So here is also the denominators are different into the fraction. So now we have to take a common denominator, which is a, b, c. So here bc is there, so we have to multiply with numerator. What is that missing? A is missing, so we have to multiply with a. So a square plus here b is missing, so b square. Here c is missing, so we have to multiply with c, so c square. So now substitute the value. A square plus b square c square value we already find out in the previous step, that is 78, divided by ABC value is already given, that is 70. So 78 divided by 70. We can simplify this value. So 3 2s are 6, remaining 1, 9 2s are 18. Here 3 2s are 6, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10. So which is equal to 39 divided by 35. This is what the value of A divided by BC plus B divided by AC plus C divided by AB. Understood? So this is important 5-mark question. Clear? Now fourth question, second one, evaluate, that means expand x plus 1 by y the whole cube. Solution. So we have to expand x plus 1 by y the whole cube. We know that the formula, using the identity formula, x plus y or a plus b. Anything else you can write x plus y the whole cube, which is equal to x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. So this is the formula we have to use. x cube plus 3xy into x plus y cube. So here instead of x, so given us x only, instead of y they are given us 1 by y. Now substitute the values into the formula, which means the x plus 1 by y the whole cube, which is equal to x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by y plus into x plus 1 by y plus y cube is, that is 1 by y the whole cube, which is equal to x cube plus 3 into x, 3x into 1, 3x divided by y, here x plus 1 by y into plus 1 cube is 1 divided by y cube is y cube. So this is what the value of x plus 1 by y the whole cube value. Understood? Then fifth question, first one is evaluate 98 square, so 98 cube, evaluate 98 cube. So using the identity we have to evaluate 98 cube. So don't do that. 98 3 times multiply பண்ற வேலை வச்சுக்காத. If they are using the given in the question, evaluate 98 cube using identities. Using identities only you have to evaluate. So solution, so 98 cube is given, 98 cube. So 98 cube should be written as 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2 is 98 the whole cube. So this is nothing but a minus b the whole cube, a minus b the whole cube. So what is the formula for a minus b the whole cube? So same thing here, a cube plus minus means you have to put minus 3ab into a minus b minus b cube. So which is equal to, instead of a you have to substitute 100, instead of b you have to substitute 2. So 100 minus 2 the whole square, whole cube, which is equal to 100 cube minus 3 into 100 into 2 into 100 minus 2 minus 2 cube, which is equal to 100 cube is minus 3 2s are 6, 6 into 100, 600 into 100 minus 2 is 98 minus 2 cube is 8, which is equal to minus 98 into 600. So you should multiply 98 with 6, 8 6 are 48, remaining 4, 9 6 are 54 plus 4, 58. So you can add 2 0 minus 8. So both are minus numbers, so you have to add. So minus 5. So now we have to subtract 10 lakhs minus 58,808. So 0 here we have to take 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 is there, 9 minus 0 is 9, here also 9 is there, so 9 minus 8 is 1, here also 9 is there, so 9 minus 8 is 1, here also 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, at last 9 is there. So 9 minus 0 is 9. So 9,41,192. So this is what the value of 98 cube. Understood? So now sixth question. If x plus y plus z is equal to 9 and xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 26, then find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. So solution. So using the identity only, we are going to find out the value of x square plus y square plus z square. So we know that the formula x plus y plus z the whole square, which is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So instead of AB, we are writing x, y, z. So variables are only different. A square, A, B, C எடுத்தாலும் சரி, x, y, z எடுத்தாலும் சரி, தப்பு கிடையாது, ரெண்டுமே same formula தான். So here we have to find out the value of x square, y square, z square only. So all the values 2xy, 2yz, 2zx value should shifted over the next side. So plus value should change into the minus value. So here x square plus y square plus z square, which is equal to already x plus y plus z value, z square value is there. So here 2 is a common factor, so 2 is a common number, so we have to take 2. எல்லா நம்பருமே மைனஸ்ல சேஞ்ச் ஆகிறதுனால minus 2 காமனாக வெளியில் எடுக்கிறேன். So minus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. Now substitute the given values. So instead of x plus y plus z, they are given 9. So 9 square minus 2 into instead of xy, yz, zx value is given as 26. So 9 square is 81 minus 226 are 52. 81 minus 52, that is what? 1 minus 2 is not possible. So 11 minus 2 is 9. Here 7 minus 5 is 2. So x square plus y square plus z square value is equal to 29. So next seventh question. Find 27a cube plus 64b cube if 3a plus 4b is equal to 10 and ab value is equal to 2. So we have to find out the value of 27a cube plus 64b cube. Using the identity only we are going to prove. So using the identity, so what is the formula we can use here? X plus y the whole cube. We know the formula x plus y the whole cube. That is what? X cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. Okay, x plus y the whole cube, which is equal to x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. So we have to find out the value of x cube, y cube. That is only 27a cube plus 64b cube. Instead of x, we have to substitute the value 3a. Instead of y, we have to substitute the value 4b. So substitute in this formula 3a plus 4b the whole cube is equal to 3a the whole cube plus 3 into, for x we have to substitute 3a, for y we have to substitute 4b into 3a plus 4b plus y cube, that is 4b cube. So now we have to expand it. So 3a plus 4b the whole cube, which is equal to 3 cube is 27 a cube plus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 ab into 3a plus 4b plus 4 cube is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 b cube. So now we have to find the value of 27a cube plus 64b cube only. So 27a cube, 64b cube alone we have to separate here, plus 36ab into 3a plus 4b value should shifted over the next side. So plus value should change into the minus value. So 27a cube plus 64b cube alone is there. So here already 3a plus 4b the whole cube value is there. So 3a plus 4b the whole cube. So plus 36 will change into minus 36 ab 3a plus 4b. So here no need to change the symbol. So whole term, this whole term should shifted over here. So plus 36 only will change into the minus 36. So now substitute the value. 3a plus 4b value is given as 10. So 10 cube minus 36 into ab value is given as 2 into 3a plus 4b value is given as 10. So 10 cube is 1000 minus 36 into 2, 72, 72 into 10, 720. So 1000 minus 720 is equal to 280. So therefore 27a cube plus 64b cube value is equal to 280. This is important 5-mark question. Understood? Question number 8. Find x cube minus y cube if x minus y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 14. Now we have to find out the value of x cube minus y cube. So solution. So using the identities only we are going to find out the value of x cube minus y cube. We know that identity formula, which is x minus y the whole cube, which is equal to x cube minus 3xy into x plus y, x minus y minus y cube. So here we have to find out the value of x cube minus y cube. So x cube minus y cube value only we have to find out. So minus 3xy into x minus y value should shifted over the next side. So minus 3xy will change into the plus 3xy. So x cube minus y cube alone is here, which is equal to, here already x minus y the whole cube value is there, minus 3xy will change into plus 3xy into x minus y. So now we know that the value, if x minus y value is equal to 5, then x y value is equal to 14. Substitute these two values into the formula, which is equal to x minus y value is equal to 5. So 5 cube plus 3 into xy value is 14 into x minus y value is equal to 5. 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. 5 is 25, 25 into 5, 125. Plus 5 3s are 15, 15 into 14. So 15 into 14, 4 5s are 20, remaining 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. So 0, 6 plus 5 is 11, remaining 1, 210. So 210. So 125 plus 210. So 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So 335. This is what the value of x cube minus y cube value. Understood? Then next 9th question. If a plus 1 by a value is equal to 6, then find the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube. So here is also we are going to use the identity. So solution. So we know that the formula of x cube, so x plus y the whole cube. We know that the formula of the identity formula, which is x plus y the whole cube, which is equal to x cube plus 3xy into x plus y into plus y cube. So instead of x, you should substitute a. Instead of y, you should substitute 1 by a. So substitute in this formula a plus 1 by a the whole cube, which is equal to x cube, that is a cube, plus 3 into a. Instead of x, you should substitute a. Instead of y, you should substitute the value 1 by a into x plus y value, that is a plus 1 by a into plus y cube, that is 1 by a the whole cube. So here a will be cancelled, which is equal to a plus 1 by a the whole cube, a cube plus 3 into 1, 3 into a plus 1 by a plus 1 cube is 1, a cube is a cube. So we have to find out the value a cube plus 1 by a cube, which is a cube plus 1 by a cube alone. So 3 plus 3 into a plus 1 by a should shifted over here, plus value should change into the minus value. So already a cube plus 1 by a cube is there, which is equal to, here already a plus 1 by a the whole cube value is there, minus plus value should change into the minus 3 into a plus 1 by a. So now substitute the value. A plus 1 by a value is given as 6. Now substitute the value. So 6 cube minus 3 into 6. So 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Remaining 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 3 is 21. So 216 minus 6 3s are 18. So 216 minus 18 is equal to 198. So this is what the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube. Understood? This is also very important 5-mark question. 10th question. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 23, then find the value of x plus 1 by x and x cube plus 1 by x cube. Solution. So here the given value x square plus 1 by x square. Using that, we have to find out the value of x plus 1 by x first. So we know that the formula of a plus b the whole square, a plus b the whole square formula, we know that, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this identity we know that instead of a, b, instead of a, you should substitute x. Instead of b, we should substitute 1 by x. So substitute in this formula x plus 1 by x the whole square, which is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x the whole square. So x will be cancelled. So x plus 1 by x the whole square, which is equal to x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square. 1 square is 1, x square. So we have to find out the value of x plus 1 by x only. So now here we can write as x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square, we know that the value, that is 23, which is equal to 23 plus 2, which is equal to 25. 23 plus 2, 25. So this is what the value of x plus 1 by x the whole square. So we have to find out the value of x plus 1 by x alone. So x plus 1 by x the whole square, which is equal to, we have to take, we can write this 25 as 5 square. 5 square is 25. So 2 will be cancelled. So x plus 1 by x, which is equal to 5. So x plus 1 by x value is, that is 5. Now we have to find out the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube. So now we know that the formula, that is x plus y the whole cube, which is equal to, we know that x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. So we know that this formula. So instead of x, y, we can substitute. So we have to find out the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Instead of x, you should substitute x. Instead of y, you should substitute the value 1 by x. 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x the whole cube, which is equal to x cube plus 3 into, instead of x you should substitute x, instead of y you should substitute 1 by x plus y cube. So y cube is 1 by x the whole cube. So x will be cancelled, which is equal to x cube plus 3 plus 1 cube is 1, x cube is x cube. So here x plus 1 by x the whole cube. So here we have to find out the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube alone. So plus 3 will change into minus 3. So x cube plus 1 by x cube, which is equal to, here already x plus 1 by x is there, whole cube, plus 3 will change into minus 3. So now substitute the value x plus 1 by x, we know that the value is 5. So 5 cube minus 3. So 5 cube is 125 minus 3, which is equal to 121. So this is what the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Understood? So this is also 5 mark question. So if y minus 1 by y the whole cube is equal to 27, then find the value of y cube minus 1 by y cube. Solution. So from this, what is that given? Y minus 1 by y the whole cube, which is equal to 27. So 27 is the cubic value of 3. So 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 cube. We can write as 27 as 3 cube. So 27 as 3 cube. So this cube will be cancelled. So y minus 1 by y, which is equal to 3. So from this value we can find out y minus 1 by y value is equal to 3. So now we have to find out the value of y cube minus 1 by y cube. So we know that the identity, which is a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. So instead of a you should substitute y. Instead of a you should substitute y. Instead of b you have to substitute 1 by y. Now substitute in this formula. So y minus 1 by y the whole cube, y cube minus 3 into y into 1 by y into y minus 1 by y minus 1 by y the whole cube. So now y cube, y will be cancelled. So minus 3 into y minus 1 by y minus 1 by y cube. Now we have to find out the value of y cube minus 1 by y cube only. So plus minus 3 into y minus 1 by y will change into plus. So y cube minus 1 by y cube, which is equal to, here already y minus 1 by y, the whole cube value is there, plus minus 3 will change into plus 3 into y minus 1 by y. Now substitute the values. Y minus y 1 by y, the whole cube value is 27, and then y minus 1 by y value is 3. Substitute in this case. So 27 plus 3 into y minus 1 by y value is 3. So 3 3s are 9, which is equal to 27 plus 9. So 27 plus 9, which is equal to 36. So this is what the value of y cube minus 1 by y cube. Understood? So next 13th question. By using the identity, evaluate. Question number 1. 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. So solution. So we know that the identity, using that identity, what is that identity is? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this is the formula we are going to use here. So but if another one condition is given in that formula, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, means then the formula is x cube plus y cube plus z cube, which is equal to plus 3xy will change into the minus 3xy will change into plus 3xyz. So this is the last formula, I think, right? So here what is that? Since 7 minus 10 plus 3, which is equal to 0. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Since which is equal to 0, then therefore the value, we have to substitute in this value, which is 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. This is only we are going to find out. Now substitute here, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 10, z is equal to 3. So 3 into x value is 7, y value is minus 10, and z value is 3. So 7 3s are 21. 21 into 3, 63. 63 into 10 minus 630. Clear? So 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. 63 into minus 10, plus into minus minus, 63 into 10, 630. So therefore the value of 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube value is equal to minus 630. This is only the value we found using the identity formula, which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Understood? Next 12th question. Simplify. First one is 2a plus 3b plus 4c into 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square minus 6ab minus 12bc minus 8ca. This is important final question. Solution. So we know that the formula, the identity is x plus x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So we know that this formula. So given equation should compare with this identity. Here, what is the value? We have to find out x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This value is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So from this equation we can find out the value. X, instead of x we can write as 2a. Instead of y we can write as 3b. Instead of z we can write as 4c. So now substitute these values in this left hand side value, which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube into minus 3xyz. So what is the value of x cube? That is 2a the whole cube plus 3b the whole cube plus 4c the whole cube minus 3 into 3a into 3b, sorry, 2a into 3b into 4c. So 2 cube is 8, a cube is a cube plus 3 cube is 27, b cube is b cube plus 4 cube is 64, c cube minus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 into 4, 18 into 4 is equal to 72. A into B into C, which is A, B, C. So this is what the value of 2a plus 3b plus 4c into 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square minus 6ab minus 12bc minus 8ca. Understood? Now 14th question. If 2x minus 3y minus 4z value is equal to 0, then find the value x 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 64z cube. Okay. So solution, we know that the formula, same formula, resemblance, same formula. Here x plus y plus z value is equal to 0. That is given if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then the formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus, which is equal to minus 3ab c should change into plus 3ab c. Instead of abc you can use xyz also. So a plus b plus c, which is equal to 0. From comparing this equation, these two equations, a is equal to, what is that, 2x, b is equal to minus 3y, and c is equal to minus 4z. So substitute in this formula 2x the whole cube plus minus 3y whole cube plus minus 4z whole cube, which is equal to 3 into a is 2x, b is minus 3y, c is minus 4z. So 2 cube is 8 x cube plus into minus 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 a cube பண்ணனால minus தான் வரும். So minus 3 cube is 27 y cube. Same here, minus a cube பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா minus, that means minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus 4 cube is 64 z cube, which is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 into minus 3, minus 18. Minus 18 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4. 18 into 4, 72 x, y, z. So this is what the value of 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 64z cube value is equal to 72xyz. Understood?